मुझसे जुड़े रहने के लिए मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना न भूलें। मैं ऐसे व्यवहार का आदी नहीं हूँ। I'm not used to this type of treatment. I'm not used to this type of treatment. उसने बाहर जाना उचित समझा। He felt like going outside. He felt like going outside. वह कमरे से बाहर आ गया। He got out of the room. He got out of the room. वो एक दूसरे का साथ देते हैं। They stick by each other. They stick by each other. कहे बिना नहीं रह सका। I could not help saying. I could not help saying. कमरे में सभी हैरान रह गए। Everyone in the room got shocked. Everyone in the room got shocked. यह उसकी जीत का पल था। It was his moment of victory. It was his moment of victory. लोग ऐसे क्यों होते हैं? Why are people so? Why are people so? मैं अपने दिल को कैसे मनाऊं? How do I convince my heart? How do I convince my heart? मन लगाकर काम करो। Work wholeheartedly. Work wholeheartedly. तुम्हें कोई और नहीं मिला? You didn't find anyone else. You didn't find anyone else. आप भला तो जग भला। Good mind, good find. Good mind, good find. नेकी और पूछ पूछ। Good deed and ask us. Good deed and ask us. बहुत आगे बढ़ रही है तू। You are going too far. You are going too far. क्या किया जा सकता है? What can be done? What can be done? तुम इतने पियक्कड़ क्यों हो? Why are so bibulous? Why are so bibulous? तुम इतने कंजूस क्यों हो? Why are you so miser? Why are you so miser? मेरे पैर में मोच आ गई है। I twisted my ankle. I twisted my ankle. सुनकर बहुत दुख हुआ। Sorry to hear that. Sorry to hear that. अब मैं कुछ बोलूं? May I say something now? May I say something now? मेरी ओर से माफ़ी मांग लीजिए। Convey my apologize. Convey my apologize. आप चुप क्यों हो? Why are you silent? Why are you silent? थोड़ा खिसकिए। Kindly move a bit. Kindly move a bit. वह किसान है। He is a farmer. He is a farmer. पानी गंदा है। The water is dirty. The water is dirty. कुर्सी टूटी है। The chair is broken. The chair is broken. कलम कहाँ है? Where is the pen? Where is the pen? तुम क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing? What are you doing? ये मेरा है। This is mine. This is mine. मैं शिक्षक हूँ। I am a teacher. I am a teacher. मुझे पटना जाना पड़ेगा। I shall have to go to Patna. I shall have to go to Patna. मुझे बाजार जाना है। I have to go to market. I have to go to market. उसे क्यों जाना पड़ा? Why had he to go? Why had he to go? तुमने क्या कहा? What did you say? What did you say? क्या तुम्हें मालूम है? Do you know? Do you know? आप जवाब क्यों नहीं देते? Why don't you give answer? Why don't you give answer? ऐसा गलती से हुआ. It happened by mistake. It happened by mistake. क्या मैं बैठ सकता हूँ? May I sit? May I sit? ऐसा तुक्के से हुआ. It happened by chance. It happened by chance. मैं पूरी कोशिश करूँगा. I will try my level best. I will try my level best. उम्मीद है आप मजे में हो. Hope you are enjoying yourself. Hope you are enjoying yourself. कृपया करके धीरे बोलिए. प्लीज स्पीक स्लोली. प्लीज स्पीक स्लोली. तुम क्या चाहते हो? What do you want? What do you want? इससे क्या फर्क पड़ता है? What difference does it make? What difference does it make? क्या तुम कुछ बोलना चाहते हो? Do you want to say something? Do you want to say something? इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. It doesn't make any difference. It doesn't make any difference. तुमने किसी को बताया भी नहीं. You didn't even inform anyone. You didn't even inform anyone. पागल खाने से छूटे हो क्या? Have you escaped from an asylum? Have you escaped from an asylum? जैसा तुमने कहा था वैसा हुआ. It happened just like you said. It happened just like you said. तुम मुझे यह क्यों बता रही हो? Why are you telling me this? Why are you telling me this?